Today, we live in a fast-paced world where everything needs to get done faster and faster, more and more. At work, at home, even our personal goals we undertake. Everything we do, the faster the better. We all know this is true. It's like we have toggled the fast-forward switch, and now it is stuck. We jump on the fast train, almost blindly, just so we can accomplish supply and demand. Well, eventually, things get tangled up, and something bad happens. A failure arises. This is always true. Depending on the event, production and life comes to a halt. Everything is paused. We need to figure out what happened, and more specifically, who did what wrong. People, this is where blaming takes place. In a fast-paced environment, we stress and know that we as a company must meet supply and demand. Pausing is bad. So we say, let us figure out the cause of this problem and get rid of it fast. Let's make sure that everyone knows who did what wrong, because we do not want this gross negligence to happen again. People, failure is trying to tell us something. Here at Failsafe, when failure happens, we refuse to blame people, but instead, we learn from them. We developed a blameless investigative method. We do not focus on that one individual that pulled the trigger, so to speak. Instead, we focus on personal accountability. What we do is we get the whole group that was involved in the incident, from lower level to high management, and we make them all see the evidence of why the event happened. This process will forcefully require these people to look at themselves in the mirror to see part of the problem. And then they will have to ask themselves a few questions. They will have to answer, what is it about the way that we are as a company that has contributed to these problems? And they will also have to answer, and maybe even more importantly, what is it about the way I am as an individual that contributed to these events? Folks, this is how you do a culture change. Still wondering if this process is for you or your company? Well, we have an idea. We think that you should experience the change yourself. All you need to do is come to a class sponsored by one of our clients. Here, you will discover firsthand for yourself how you can change the world around you by simply slowing down and seeing yourself as part of the problems around you.